Testing mic 1 2. My name is Aderemi Joseph Iyano, and I want to present my Nexus projects for ALX. My friend has a company, online integrated services, and it is a procurement company, and their they usually manage their procurement with notes, email, and spreadsheets. However, as the company expands with clients, suppliers, and staff increasing, there's difficulty in managing all these things, and especially with permissions and accountability and making reconciliations of past and present code and the likes. So the result is operational bottlenecks and productivity drops. So the solution now is a centralized web application to streamline operations. The centralized web app is built with Django, with accounts, ledger, CRM, tax for procurement, and rule users with rule-based management. So the benefit is transparency across operations, reduce errors and this is so there's the CRM, that is where they manage their clients and their suppliers. Usually, this is how the company works. Client comes to them to make a request of what they want the company to buy for them. And then the company goes ahead to look for best distributors and best suppliers with the best price. And then they get quotes from them. And then they give their clients their own quotes. And of course, making profit from it. So the CRM is where they manage their clients and their suppliers, and when the procurement app is where they manage their procurement. That is, when the client comes with their request, it is immediately documented under the request table in the database, and then it has a status to know if it has been worked on. Request that has been worked on as quotes from suppliers. And then with the close quotes from suppliers, they can make their own personal quotes and send to the client. And when the client agrees with the price, the client can send a purchase order. The client can send purchase order to them, and when the purchase is received, it also has a status. And then there's also the account, the ledger, where they can manage goods that have been delivered, invoices, and uh, payment receipts. So, and then also other expenses within the company, and then they can make reconciliation accounts and send to their clients. So this is what API looks like. So I have the so I use JWT as a token for authentication, and then I have the account. I have the department that is manage the user account. It is the department, the permissions, the profiles, the rules, and users. So there's also the manage the contacts, which can either be supplier or client, and then also there are categories, that is debit or credit, expectations, invoices, transactions, and so on and so forth. And also the procurement that handles the client, the PO tracker, purchase order trackers, purchase orders, suppliers codes, and then of course the authentication. So this is what my table looks like. The UI is the link is on the readme. You can go to the database to the